Another gaming keyboard. Which one is it? Is it 5th, 6th already? I mean, Logitech is doing this kind of keyboards and it's going crazy out of the hand. I mean, just look at this tiny thing. It's designed perfectly. It doesn't have those micro keys, it doesn't have those G keys, it doesn't have multimedia keys, but this is just perfect. I mean, I heard this kind of keyboard is for the esports, and well, honestly, this just amazes me even more than all the G910 and G410 and everything. I mean, I have 410 and, well, this one is even smaller. It's tiny, but it packs a punch and it really looks good. And, well, let's just open it and see. I mean, you will be surprised as much as I am. This is a compact 10 keyless keyboard from Logitech G Pro. The 10 keyless keyboards are becoming more popular amongst gamers. Not only are they more affordable, but also save space for users who don't have much of space on their desk. The keyboard reminds me of the G810, but without the numerical pad, and it kinda is. The RGB 16.8 million colors illumination, which can be adjusted through Logitech G software. It has Romer G switches and it is designed for professional esport players. Apart from the affordable 10 keyless keyboards, this one is actually $130. One of the things that surprises the most is the cable, which is detachable and it is fully braided. The cable also reminds on the mouse of G900 from Logitech, and that is very cool. So you could probably combine the cables if it comes to, well, if you lose one or something happens by accident. The design is very simple, and that is the reason some of you will definitely love it. Build quality is great because of the steel backplate that is hidden within the case. Top part is made out of hard plastic material, and at the bottom you have 5 large rubber pads to keep the keyboard stable. There are no dedicated macro buttons, and that is why the size surprises. But the FN button unlocks some media functions up above on the F9 to F12. Now you've seen all the light effects. It has 16.8 million colors RGB, you have the Romer G switches, you have the detachable braided cable, which is kind of cool actually. If you have the G900 or G403 wireless mouses, I think you can connect them because they have the same connector, and which is pretty cool. I mean, you don't need that cable for your G900 to connect it if it's wireless, and you only need one cable. After charging it, you're done for about 8 to 10 hours, and you have your keyboard and you have your mouse. I mean, a perfect combination. And this keyboard with the mechanical switches and all the functionalities, I mean, you have the actuation point of 1.5 millimeters and the 25% faster than the regular mechanical keyboards, which is really cool. And I told you that on all the other Romer G Logitech keyboards. What else could you ask for? I mean, another great design, great package, and I told you already a million times, Logitech received I don't know how many awards. Well, I do, but Do I need to put that information every time? They won the awards for the best packages and for the best design on their keyboards, mouses, and well, you can see the design is really slick. It doesn't go too much into your face with the aggressive design, this one, but it has all the keys that you need. You have the double height adjustability with your tilt legs, and well, I would say just perfect for a keyboard that you want to carry around for LAN parties, for if you go to, I don't know, esports competitions or that kind of stuff. And that's why this keyboard is for. Now, this was another yet video for the Logitech peripherals, and again we have some amazing product, the mechanical keyboard Logitech G Pro. I'll put the links below for the Logitech website, where to buy it in America, where to buy it in Europe, the price, and all the technical and detailed specifications. Now, the only thing left to say is thanks for watching another video with me. I'm Dario from PC Crazy. Don't forget to sub and don't forget to like. More likes, more views, more stuff for you guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.